So I'm never gonna get too close to you, even when I mean the most to you.
Hey everyone! Today I want to share with you an incredible idea that can transform your life and come true your dreams. A vision board. So, shall we go? But what is exactly a vision board? It's basically a board where you replace with pictures, words, and phrases who represent your dreams and goals. It works as a visual representation of what you want to be and what you want to have in your life. But you ask me, why use a vision board? Here are 3 reasons for you use a vision board. It clearly defines what you want to be and have. It works as a daily reminder to stay focused on your goals. And 3, it is a practical tool for working your positive mindset. It is the most important thing. Guys, that's important too. Review your vision board regularly and update or add new ones. This keeps the energy flowing and makes you even more motivated. And this is an extra tip. If you prefer a digital vision board, all you need is a Pinterest and Canva. And now it is your time. How about starting your vision board today? If you need help and inspiration, tell me here in the comments. I will love to help you. Don't forget to like and share this video with those who want to transform their lives and come true their dreams. And subscribe our channel to more amazing tips like this. So, see you next video!